Thank you for tuning in for the review of the best products available today. These models were chosen from a large variety of products based on their overall performance and review of thousands of consumers that have purchased them through countless hours of research, side-by-side comparisons. It's believed that the following products are indeed the best on the market today. Please take a moment to follow the product links listed below to each product for more information. Sit back and relax while you watch the best highly recommended products for this year.
Hey everybody, Joe Iaquinto here for ChromaCast. We got a standard guitar gig bag right here. This one is for the acoustic guitar, and it's really for every skill level. Any musician can carry this bag. You're going to take it to a gig, you got everything you need right here in this gig bag. You don't need any other stuff. You don't have to burden yourself with bags or anything else. It's all here. Let's go over some of the features. Start with the handle, right? You got to have a good handle on things. This is a double handle. And an upgrade here, it runs the entire length width of the bag, so if there's ever any kind of zipper malfunction or you just forget to put your zipper up, you're not going to spill out into the street. Pockets for everything that you need. When you're going to a gig or you're going to a lesson or you're just taking your guitar wherever you're going to take it, you got to put your stuff in there. This has 6 individual pockets. We got stuff right here. You can put your picks, you can put your tuner, you can put strings in here, you can put the entire content of your tubular guitar stand will fit right in here. Look at this. It's got everything you need. So you just take your stand, you shove it in there, put your cable in there, and when you get everything out and you're on your gig, what do you do with your wallet? What do you do with your cell phone, your eyeglasses? Put them right in there. Case closed. You can carry it through here. It's got a really, really heavy-duty rubber handle right here. It's got these things, which are amazing, if you can see. That is so when you put it on the ground, it's not going to hurt the case, it's not going to hurt the contents, and it ain't going anywhere. Let's pop it open. There's your guitar, it's padded, and it'll give you all the protection you need. Other sizes available in this series are Acoustic Jumbo, Mini Jumbo, Dreadnought, 3/4 size, electric guitar, electric bass, and one of my favorites is the acoustic bass guitar case. All available from ChromaCast.